They're using pancakes as spoons.
Ooh, let's see what else they do wrong.
They're selling CDs in the restaurant. Back to the car.
What can I get you?
Oh, I'll just have a side salad.
We have no side salad.
Back to the car.
Relax, Mom. Be adventurous.
Yeah, just have fun. Dad would.
What's the craziest thing on the menu?
She means the most authentic.
Well, that would be the Zinzelminchata Lechawat.
Then I'll have that. Okay, Marge. You test drove a convertible once. You can do this. Holy casserole! That's good gloop.
I wish I lived in Ethiopia.
Exotic, vegetarian. I can mention it in a college essay. Mom, this is amazing.
Wait. What is she eating? They've never served me that dish, and I wear indigenous beaded headgear.
Oh, this? It's just a little Zelzelminchit a la Chawat. It's all I ever eat here.
They have prepared her a dish from the non-translated page.
So grab a pancake and slurp some slop.
Foodies, heed my call. Commence ripping and dipping.
So, did all of your cars break down?
Mom, they're here on purpose. They're foodies.
Indeed. Our passion is to seek out interesting foods, savor their exotic flavors, then blog about them. Yes.